rice, potatoes, and eggs. It's like a bird zoo in the backyard. The weather bad. Breeze a blow. Rain a fall.
Stay in your car.
Walk with an umbrella. We got stuff from the store. Happened.
I'm debating.
What happened?
Son of a biscuit eater. Well, it's raining. Well, at least we have chicken wings and bread.
Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with chicken wings and bread. Hawaiian bread, right?
Yeah. At least it's rain and not snow.
True. But I love both of them. The rain and the snow.
Well, which one you prefer more, rain or snow?
Of course, the rain. I love the rain. Well, I'll put it this way. At least my truck is getting a wash.
Free wash, right?
Me and I'll get them wet.
Mine get a wash.
Not just the truck. So it's coming down. Today is Tuesday, January 9th. Looking out for tornadoes.
Yep, there was a tornado warning.
I can't sit here and watch you run into place in Central City.